Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can kick out someone in Bigo Live. So just to do that, go ahead and open up Bigo Live application on your mobile phone. Once you have opened it, you'll be appear with this type of screen interface. So in order to kick out someone, we have to go to live. So go ahead and tap on that video icon or video sign and go live. And once you're live, you can see the viewers on the top right side of the corner. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can select anyone or any person in order to kick out in Bigo Live. So for instance, I want to kick out this particular person. So what I can do is simply tap on that person's name, and once you tap on it, you can see the manage option right there. Tap on it and several options will be available on your mobile screen. Now go ahead and tap on kick out in order to kick out someone in Bigo Live. And if you surely want to kick out this person, then tap on sure and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.